Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Arya and I'll bring everyday news for all of you. Yesterday, 1,82,996 new corona cases were reported all over India. This means now the number of cases per day are below 2 lakh max. As of yesterday, 25.89 lakhs active cases were there all over India. As of yesterday, 19.6 crore Indian got vaccinated. Still 5 states which account for almost 50% of the cases are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, West Bengal and Kerala. Yesterday in Mumbai, 1,057 new cases were reported. There is a continuing decline in number of cases due to continuing lockdown in Mumbai. Center allows walk-in vaccination for 18 plus age at all government-run vaccination center all over India. However, due to shortage of vaccine all over India, this move may not help much at the moment. The Director General of Civil Aviation, that is DGCA, has launched investigation into a case of 161 passenger on board a chartered SpiceJet flight flouting on-board COVID norms while attending a mid-air wedding ceremony on Sunday. The COVID-19 pandemic has taken away parental protection of 1,450 children across Maharashtra state, forcing many of them to take shelter at state government-sponsored care centers. Indian stock market continued its incline yesterday and BSE Sensex closed 111 points above the previous day closed and closed at 50,651 points. $1 was equal to 72.96 rupees. Market capitalization of all listed BSE companies crossed $3 trillion or 219 lakh crore. This is all-time high. Equity mutual fund have proved to be a good source of sticky money for the Indian stock markets. The average holding period for retail investors in equity mutual fund is more than 24 months in 55.3% cases. This percentage improved from 48.77% a year ago. This is Dinesh Arya signing off.